everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving yesterday if you celebrated. I know I said I wasn't going to upload a video this week, however this is not a typical video. This is an open invite to a challenge that I'm co-hosting with my friend Mrs. V, so stick around for all the details. Alright guys, like I said, I'm co-hosting this challenge with Mrs. V, and if you don't know who she is, I have her channel linked down below in the description box. She participates in all sorts of challenges just like I do. She does DIYs, cooking videos. She is budget friendly and very inspirational, so please make sure to head on over to her channel and check her out and show her some love after you are done here. So for this challenge, all we're asking you guys to do is decorate your porch or an outdoor area for Christmas or the holiday season and include a DIY and share with us the before and after of what the area looked like. And then you can title your videos Outdoor Christmas Porch DIY Decor Challenge, and then you can also use the hashtag Christmas Porch DIY Decor. And then make sure to mention me and Mrs. V in your videos, as well as linking our channels in your description box. And then don't forget to subscribe to our channels as well. And then guys, all you have to do is upload your videos on Friday, November 30th at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And there will be a playlist that will be created for this challenge, and you can come back at that time and date and add your videos to that. So I hope you guys have fun with this and you participate in this challenge. Please let me know down in the comments if you're going to. And I am going to be decorating my porch for Christmas this weekend, so I can't wait to share with you on November 30th what it looks like. So I hope to see you guys back here then. Take care. Bye-bye.